Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Suraswar, founder of Online Study for You. You must have seen the thumbnail, and it is definitely true that companies will start responding you back if you fix this mistake. This video is going to be very important because many of you are not getting any response from the company after you apply. Either you are a fresher or a experienced, same problem we all are facing. In this video I am going to tell you the mistakes which you are doing and you need to fix it right now. Friends, the first stage in for any company recruitment is resume screening. So after you apply for any job, by uploading your resume, the first thing happens is resume screening. And there only, if it fails, right, if your resume fails in ATS scan, then you are rejected and the companies or the HRs will never ever contact you. Okay, so here you see, after you apply, in your resume screening, automated screening happens. Keyword scanning, most companies use ATS software to filter applications. The software looks for a specific keyword related to a skill, job title and qualification mentioned in the job descriptions. Many of you are applying to the jobs with the same resume. How it is possible here? So how can you apply for all the jobs with a single resume? You are not even changing their skills, you are not even modifying your resume according to that. For many of you, the resume formatting is not correct. There are a lot of mistakes is there in the resumes. You can go and check your ATS score of your resume, but then also on whatever tools are available on Google will not give you the correct result. See, formatting constant, complex layouts, graphics, images or tables can prevent an ATS from reading your resume correctly, leading to the automatic rejection. Friends, lakhs of people apply for these jobs and this ATS will ATS will select the resume only from the tops, okay, who has good scores, right, which has good ATS scores. That resume only will be able to get selected and companies and HRs respond in that particular way only. Okay, so resume optimization, right format, strong objective, keywords and highlighted skills, these are very important. Otherwise, trust me, same thing will be keep happening and you will be start losing the opportunities. Okay, one more thing I will show you. So on Google, right, I typed, can we apply to all company with same resume? Now see the result. While you can technically use the same resume for all job applications, it is generally not advisable. Tailoring your resume for each role increases your chances of getting noticed by hiring manager, whereas generic untailored applications often result in rejection. You can put it on Google, okay, and chatgpt, and then you also can see the same thing. It's not like I have modified or edited from my side. Okay, so key takeaways on customizing your resume: match the job description, application tracking system. So customizing help your resume pass ATS filter, which are used to rank candidates based on the keywords. So your resume will be in the top and it will be easy for the recruiters to get your resume and call you back, right? So match the job description. According to the job descriptions, you also have to modify your resume, right? So friends, Online Study for You always do something, we work on the mistakes which you are doing so that you get the exact thing. So we have already launched ATS best resume and the price is just 25 rupees. Now I will tell you, just give me one more minute, okay, and then you will be able to understand what exactly I wanted to tell. So this is a ATS resume, atsbestresume.com website. Okay, this is launched by Online Study for You. Now here we have given the companies wise template, like all-in-one companies, Wipro and startups, Wipro, Capgemini. Okay, you see all this. Okay, TCS and L&T Mindtree, Deloitte and Cognizant, Tech Mahindra, Accenture. So it is tailored with respect to the individual companies. Okay, for freshers resume, experienced resume, cover letter, ATS checker, so you will be also able to check your ATS. And friends, here the price for the template only for today, it is 25 rupees. From tomorrow the price will increase because we also have to spend a lot on AI. This is see, you are not going to design your resume, AI will do it for you, and AI will, and you will be able to check the ATS score. Here you could see, right, after getting the resume, each and everything I will tell you. Just one more minute. Now here I am going to select one of the template because I have only 25 rupees, okay, but only for today. From tomorrow the price will increase. Now I am going in loss. So this is one of the resume which I have made for myself, okay. Now, so there are, see, this resume, you tell me, nobody actually by looking at it can find the mistakes, but you know, this resume score is not good, and this is what you also have, this kind of resume even you also have. So let us check here. So see, live preview, AI A4 format. So see, whatever you want I will show you. So suppose in education, go here in education, okay, and not in education, let us go in experience, where some data we have to fill. And here you see, if you want to write down something in the description, okay, after you writing, there is enhance with AI. So AI is going to work for you, and now see, the content will be enhanced. So if there is any kind of, you know, in this particular section, if there is any kind of grammatical mistakes, they will tell you. Now at some places, okay, so if you have done some mistake, like suppose here you see Python spelling is wrong, okay. See, now we enhanced this particular portion, right? So now here, after enhancing also, if there is some mistake, you will come to know. Now click on AI review, okay. So it might take some time, but it will tell you what all mistakes are there in the resume, and you have to correct it, and then you have to check your ATS score. Nobody is going to see. Now if ATS is looking for Python, and in your resume it is Python, it's not Python, then how your resume will get selected and HR will contact you? And these are the, see, the resume, overall ATS resume score 68%, poor. And they have told you, okay, what are the mistakes? Now you see analysis. So current is this, it should be this, right? So HTML tag, see, this is opening tag is there, closing tag is not there, okay. Now, so this is a particular this thing. So R&D engineer at Nokia Networks, duration. So what is the mistake? Correct spelling and formatting issues, enhances professionalism and ATS readability, okay. So here there is some mistake is there. And what is the mistake? So the mistake is in spelling Bangalore and Bangalore, right? So inconsistent. So it will give you the complete information. Recommendation, okay. So remove HTML tags from the professional summary, ensure consistent formatting across. And then you see, so Python spelling is wrong, right? So correcting the typo improves professionalism and matching, okay. So see, everything you will be able to get it. Chronological order, so in which order what should be there? See, description, duration, NA or provide actual date, you cannot provide NA, okay. And then internship dates in reverse chronological order. So whatever the mistakes is there, that you need to, each and everything it will tell you, my dear friends. And I'm telling you, so this is going to be one of the thing which I wanted from the long time. Now many of you will tell, sir, you are doing promotion. My dear friends, it's not a promotion. I wanted to do all the things wherever you are lagging and not getting a job, and for that, whatever is possible from online study for you, I'll be keep doing it, okay. So this particular website is going to change the way you are applying for the jobs for different company. Try to, and see, once you get this resume, you will be able to edit it for a month, okay. So for 1 month access will be there, you can edit as many number as you want, only the name will be logged. Otherwise what people will do, so today I will create for myself, tomorrow I will start creating for my friend. So what happens, so whenever you are using AI, we need to pay for that, okay, and that cost will automatically increase, okay. So thank you, my dear friends, take care, all the very best. This video will definitely help you a lot.